Get ready for a tech explosion. We've got 3 game-changing AI breakthroughs that are about to blow your mind. On this episode of Tech News Today, dated November 12th, 2025, we're diving into the most powerful open-source models yet. Weibo's VibeThinker-1.5b is giving top dollar a run for its money, outperforming DeepSeek R1 on a budget that'll make your wallet do the happy dance. But wait, there's more. Baidu just dropped an open-source AI that claims to beat the mighty GPT-5 and Gemini. But hold on to your seat, folks, because this is not just about numbers. We're talking multimodal AI. That's revolutionizing industries and saving thousands of engineering hours with Deductive AI. Who's ready for this tech tsunami? If you are, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the conversation in the comments below. Breakthrough in open-source AI. Weibo unveils VibeThinker-1.5b. We've just seen some exciting news from China's tech scene, where social networking giant Weibo's AI division has released its brand new open-source model, VibeThinker-1.5b. This 1.5 billion parameter large language model is a major player in the world of artificial intelligence. What makes it so impressive? Well, it appears that VibeThinker-1.5b outperforms another popular model, DeepSeek R1, on a budget of just $7,800. Now, you might be wondering why this matters to anyone but AI, researchers and enthusiasts. But let me tell you, this is huge news for the broader tech industry. With open-source models like VibeThinker-1.5b becoming increasingly available, we're seeing a democratization of access to advanced AI capabilities. This means that more companies and developers will be able to build and use these powerful tools, which could lead to breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing and machine learning. As Weibo's head of AI research put it, our goal is to make high-quality AI models accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or budget. That's a bold vision, but one that we think will become increasingly relevant as the field of AI continues to evolve. And with VibeThinker-1.5b leading the charge, there's no doubt that this is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in open-source AI development. Here's the script segment. Breaking news from the world of AI. Baidu just released an open-source multimodal AI model that it claims beats GPT-5 and Gemini on several vision-related benchmarks. That's right. This Chinese search engine giant is now joining the ranks of Google and OpenAI in the high-stakes competition to build AI, systems that can understand and reason about images and videos. So what happened? Baidu's ERNI-4.5-VL-28B-A3B- thinking model was trained on a massive dataset and fine-tuned for vision-related tasks like object detection, segmentation, and image generation. What's impressive is that it achieved state-of-the-art results without requiring nearly as much computing power as its competitors. But why does this matter? Well, this development highlights the rapidly accelerating pace of progress in multimodal AI. AI, systems that can seamlessly integrate multiple forms of input, like text, images, and audio. It also underscores the importance of open-source models in driving innovation and collaboration across industries. As Baidu's chief scientist, Yu Dong, puts it, we want to see what others are working on. This spirit of openness is key to accelerating AI, research, and benefiting society as a whole. And what does this mean for the future of AI? It suggests that the competition among tech giants is driving innovation in ways we're just starting to see. But with great power comes great responsibility. Let's keep an eye on how these advancements are shaping our world. Smooth transition phrase. As we explore the implications of this groundbreaking development, stay tuned for more insights into the evolving landscape of AI, research, and its impact on our daily lives. Weibo's breakthrough in open-source AI, VibeThinker-1.5b, takes the lead. So what just happened? Chinese social networking company Weibo has made waves in the AI community by releasing its new open-source large language model, VibeThinker-1.5b. This 1.5 billion parameter beast is a fine-tuned variant of Alibaba's Qwen 2.5-Math-1.5b and is now available for free download and usage by anyone, including researchers and enterprise developers. The model has already outperformed its rival, DeepSeek R1, in several key areas. Why does this matter? Well, the development of open-source AI, models like VibeThinker-1.5b, is a game-changer for the industry. It allows researchers and developers to access high-quality models without having to shell out thousands of dollars in licensing fees or train their own models from scratch. This can accelerate innovation and enable more people to contribute to the advancement of artificial intelligence. According to Weibo, VibeThinker-1.5b was trained on a massive budget of $7,800, which is relatively affordable compared to other state-of-the-art LLMs. As one researcher noted, open-source models like VibeThinker-1.5b are democratizing access to AI, power, and enabling a more collaborative research ecosystem. This development aligns with broader trends towards more open and accessible AI technologies, paving the way for even more exciting breakthroughs in the years to come. That's all for now. Let's take a closer look at how this breakthrough might shape the future of artificial intelligence. Here's the script. Baidu unveils groundbreaking AI model that beats GPT-5 and Gemini. Baidu just dropped an open-source multimodal AI model that its developers claim outperforms competitors from Google and OpenAI on several vision-related benchmarks. This new model, Ernie-4.5-VL-28B-A3B- thinking, uses a fraction of the computing resources typically required for such systems. Can you imagine being able to run an AI that's capable of understanding and reasoning about images and videos using less power? That's what Baidu is touting. So, why does this matter? Well, we're seeing an escalating competition among technology companies to build AI systems that can handle complex tasks like visual understanding. Google and OpenAI are already investing heavily in their respective AI platforms, so it's clear that Baidu wants to stay in the game. As one of China's largest search engine companies, this move is also significant for its global ambitions. We're seeing more and more innovation coming from Asia, particularly from China, which is why this development is interesting. According to Baidu's CEO, Zhang Yiming, the key challenge now is not how much computation we can afford, but how to allocate that computation effectively. This highlights the shift towards more efficient AI systems. That's a fascinating perspective on the future of AI. Coming up next, we'll dive into the impact of this development on the broader tech industry. Here's the script segment. DoorDash saves 1,000 engineering hours with Deductive AI. So, what just happened? DoorDash, the popular food delivery company, was hit hard by software failures that were crippling its operations. Engineers spent up to half their time hunting down the causes of these failures, leaving them with a monumental task: building new products. It's a problem that's becoming increasingly common as software systems get more complex. But why does this matter? Well, it highlights a broader trend in AI: the need for faster and smarter tools to diagnose production failures. With code generation getting out of hand, engineers are drowning in debugging work. And it's not just DoorDash. Every company with complex software needs will be impacted by this issue. Deductive AI, a startup that emerged from stealth mode recently, claims to have saved the company 1,000 engineering hours with its automated software debugging tool. That's like having an entire team of engineers working on your problems for months. As CEO, Alex Wang says, "Our goal is to free up engineers to focus on building new products, not just fixing last week's bugs." This is a classic problem of the debugging bottleneck, where engineers get stuck in a cycle of fixing issues rather than innovating. And with Deductive AI, we're seeing a shift towards more intelligent tools that can diagnose problems in minutes, not hours. That's a game changer for any company struggling to keep up with its software needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of AI. We're grateful for your interest and enthusiasm. If you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Don't miss our daily AI news updates, where we dive into the most recent breakthroughs and innovations. Join us next time as we explore the cutting-edge tech shaping our future. Until then, keep learning and stay ahead of the curve. That's all for today. Stay curious, stay ahead.